Hi, I'm Simon. Welcome back to my channel, Crooked Imaging. I've just got a quickie. DJI have just dropped the latest release of the DJI Fly app. Now, I haven't tried this with the FPV drone. I'm going to do that a little bit later on, but something I've noticed with the DJI Mini 2 is they seem to have removed a really useful feature that us iOS users really like. And if you haven't updated the app yet on your iOS device and you're not having any problems with the app, then I would suggest at the moment not to do the update if you use the charging facility. So with the DJI Fly app, there was a facility to switch on or switch off the ability to charge your iOS device from the controller. Now, DJI, for whatever reason, have just removed this with the latest version of the DJI Fly app. So, as I say, it's not a major issue. But if you do like using that facility, and I find it really useful, you know, I'll always end up going to a flight, had a long drive, forgot to put my phone on charge, and it's just nice to have that that worry-free flying where you know that your phone's not going to go flat because it's being charged from the controller. You no longer can do this. Now I don't have a Android device to try it out, but I've been told that it just automatically charges from an Android device. What I have noticed, when you plug the controller into your phone, it makes the sound as if it is charging the battery, and you'll see on the screen that the battery goes green as if it's charging. You then get taken into the Fly app. If I come out of the Fly app, I can show you that the battery actually isn't charging, as can be seen up top there. So when I go back into the Fly app, we used to have a switch that was just under the word there, remote controller, and then stick mode, just in between there, and I'll just quickly put up a picture. You can see that the phone charging option has now gone. So, as I say, not a major issue, but it is a really useful feature. So why DJI have got rid of that, I don't know. Everything else in the app seems to be identical. Doesn't seem to be any other changes. So I won't take you through all the other settings or anything like that because none of that has changed. That function has been removed. So I am hoping that DJI will quickly rectify this and add that back to the app. As I say, I found that quite a useful feature. I know lots of other people do. And if you haven't updated the app, and you don't need to update the app at the moment because you haven't got any issues with your iOS device and running the Fly app, then I wouldn't for the time being, just because you will still be able to then use the phone charging facility. Don't forget, if you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware of when I even bring out some new videos. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.